Good day, my people. Welcome to the chat. I've got asked a question, and I know what's right and what's wrong there. So the question was, what is a woman? Why is a woman called a woman, and a man called a man? So maybe I'm not a very educated person. I'm only a normal man. But what is a woman? So this is now about the screwed up ways of the world, the ways the world are wrong. So let me tell you, what is a woman? A woman does not have a beard. A woman does not have broad shoulders. A woman does not have testicles. Now I'm trying to sound very, very clever. A woman does not have balls. A woman does not have a penis, a D. So a woman does not have a prostate. A woman does not have XX chromosomes. What's inside of you? A woman does not have a deep voice. A woman does not have the strength, physical strength of a man. A woman does not have all that attributes. If you have that attributes, you're a man. XX chromosomes, testis, penis, prostate. A woman does not have chest hair. A woman does not have hairy legs. Come on, how the hell, can you allow a man with a screwed up mind, say he identifies as a woman, allow that motherfucker going into the same toilets as a woman? If I see a man going inside the toilets of a woman, I'm going to be the first motherfucker there, killing him. I'm going to slice his throat. I'm going to fuck him up, because what is he doing inside a woman's toilet? So, someone please explain to me, what is a woman? I know what a woman is. A woman's got inside her a gift to give birth, to let a life grow inside her. That's not a man, that's a woman. A woman has got breasts with fatty tissues on it, with glands on it to produce milk. That's a woman. A woman does not have sperm. She's got eggs, ovary eggs. A man does not have ovaries. A woman has got ovaries that produces fertile eggs. A man does not have that time of the month. So come on, how can you allow a man to say he identifies as a woman. Obviously, it's in your face. That man is fucked in his head. He's a pervert. Same with women that want to be men. Women don't have the things that men have. And men don't have the things that women have. Even in our chromosomes. So what is a woman? Woman doesn't have a beard. Woman doesn't have a deep voice. A woman has estrogen. Men have testosterone. Like I say, I'm not a doctor. I'm a scientist. Not sciences of the human. I'm a scientist of engineering, of how things work. If you take a woman and you versus man, go do the same job. Easy job. Go farming. Farm. Work in the fields for a whole day. Then you let that man take a bath and see what the results is. And then you let that woman take a bath after doing the same work as man and see what the results is. In the bath of that man, there will be around the bath, a brown ring on that bath. A woman will not have that brown ring around the bath. Even in the collar of your shirt, you'll see a man's collar always comes out brown after he wore it. Even if he did not, he sits in the office. He was not out in the earth, in the world, working in the dust and things. He's got a brown collar. A woman does not have that. That is the difference between men and women. That is how our Almighty Creator created us. Men and women are different. Men are created from the earth, from the dust. Women were created from the flesh of that man, from the rib. That's all I've got to say. Now you know the difference between a man and a woman. Now you know what a woman is. I hope you all have a blessed day. Be blessed and be prosperous. Cheers, my friends.